In this video, we are going to learn how to create a dynamic drop-down list in Excel. For example, when you select a country, the next drop-down will instantly show only the cities belonging to that country. Another use case can be that when you select a department, you get the list of employees only working in that department. This is a very powerful technique which can be used in dashboards, data entry templates, financial models, etc. Here in this Excel, we have name of a few countries: India, US, China, UK, and Australia. And below we have the name of few cities in that country. We will create two drop downs here. The first drop down will have the name of the countries. The second drop down will be a dynamic drop down list which will change based on the country selected. Before working or creating the drop down list, let us first convert this the countries and the name of the cities into a data table. So let me select this range for India and then press Ctrl T. So when I press Ctrl T, Excel gives me the range and my table has headers. This is already selected. I press OK. So now this list is created into an Excel table. Similarly, I'll select US and the cities in US, press Ctrl T, convert it into a data table. And likewise, I'll do for all the countries. So now here we have five data tables. So when I click on India, go to table design. So the name of the table is table 1. So I'll change the name to India, enter. Similarly, I'll change the name of other tables as well. So USA, table 3 is UK. This I'll name Australia and then China. Now we will create the drop down list. So the first drop down will have the name of the countries. So I'll go to data, data validation. Here I'll select list, and in the source I'll select the name of the countries B5 to F5 and then click OK. So now if I click on this cell, so we have the drop down with the name of the countries India, USA, UK, Australia, and China. The second drop down should have the name of the cities based on the country selected in the first drop down. To do this, what I'll do is I'll go again to data, data validation, click on data validation. Here I'll again select list, and in list I'll type a small formula. So I'll type is equal to indirect bracket open and then select cell C16 which has the name of the country, close the bracket and click OK. So now the second drop down is also created. If I click here, I can see the name of the cities in China: Beijing, Shanghai, Shenzhen. Let me change the name of the country to India. So if I select India, I get the name of the cities in India: New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. If I select USA, so I get the name of New York, Chicago, Houston, Seattle, etc. Now we have created these data ranges into data table. The reason we created it into Excel data table is that if we add a name of another city, the drop downs will automatically show the name of the new city added. So for example, if I add New Jersey over here, click enter. So if I go to USA, New Jersey is appearing in the drop down. Similarly, if I add another city in India, so let's say Surat, I added Surat. Now if I go to this drop down, select India, the city drop down will have Surat at the end. This is a very powerful technique which can be used in several places like creation of dashboards, data entry templates, financial models, etc. Thank you.